Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's time for another unboxing. We've got the new Hot Wheels Silver Series European set. It's a pretty cool one, guys. I'm excited to get this one opened up, but we're going to crack this open and we'll throw each one up on the turntable. And then we have a bonus Greenlight unboxing at the end. I got a couple of awesome C10 Chevy pickups that we're gonna crack open and take a look at. They are pretty awesome, so stick with us. All right, guys, so check it out. Just that front cover, you can tell there's some epic stuff. We got the Porsche GT3 in yellow. Haven't seen it in that color before. We got a Golf, an Aston Martin, the M3 E30 BMW looking good, and the Mercedes AMG. And look at that old school Volvo. Looking pretty good, guys. Check them out here. Nice colors. And I'm actually digging this Volvo, guys. I have never picked up this casting before. I think they've had it before previously, but let's go ahead and crack these guys open, take a peek. All right, we're gonna start off with the BMW here. Check it out. Nice detail on the 92 E30. Don't really like that wheel choice, but it's looking okay in green. I'm pretty sure they didn't make this car in green, at least the M3. I think it was like red, black, maybe white. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are E30 fans. Yeah, looking good. All right, next up, guys, look at that Porsche GT3 metal wing. They've had a few GT3s, the 992 version that this is in the main lines. Black, they've had shark blue, red with some black stripes, I believe. But yeah, not looking too bad with that wheel, the chrome lip there. I'm not a big yellow fan, but that one is looking pretty clean. All right, next up, that Mercedes AMG. That is looking clean and red. Look at the giant wing. Big metal wing on that with the AMG graphic. I like it. Silver stripes coming down. That is a clean casting, guys. And the wheel choice. That wheel choice looks good on that. Yeah, very cool. I like it. All right, time for a little Volkswagen Golf GTI. Doesn't look too bad in silver. A nice little black and white stripe going down the side there. Yeah. Golf. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of that one. It's kind of the least favorite for me, I think, out of this set, but it's a classic. All right, now on to the Aston Martin, the 177. So this model just wasn't a big seller. They only made a few of this 177, so I'm not too keen on this model per se, but still's got the Aston Martin look to it, and that light blue color is pretty nice. Wheels are okay, I guess. Not a bad car. All right, last one of the pack. The Volvo. That's a clean looking car. Really dig it in the white. Blue, riding low too. Wheel choice is okay on that. This is the metal base on this one. It's a little heavier, a little better build. Yeah. I think that'll make a good keychain for someone that is into the 142 GL. All right, guys, there's the full 6-pack here of the Euro Silver Series for 2026. I think it's a pretty epic set. Can't go wrong with any of them, actually, in this set. So my favorites are going to be probably, I'm going to go with this one. This changed my mind, guys. That AMG is a super nice casting with the wheels, the whole package. Then I'm going to go GT3 because I love the Porsches. And then the E30. So those are my 3 favorites. Let me know in the comments which 3 your favorites were. But on to our final unboxing here of these epic Greenlight C10s. So stick around for those. All right, guys, here are those C10s I was telling you about. 2 of them. We've got the orange and the yellow. We're going to crack both of them open. Take a look at them. Short box, awesome wheel choices. Start off with the yellow here. Limited edition, guys. 7,210 of these. So they say. They're gonna be made. That pickup is sweet, guys. That thing is epic. Is the hood open? I don't know if the hood opens. It looks like it could have opened, but I don't think it does. No, I don't think the hood opens, but that's okay because that thing is sweet. Dude, I am in love with that casting. I've always loved this model year, a C10, especially in the short box. Look at it. The detail is awesome on this thing. Super, super cool. Let's crack the orange one open here. We lost a car. It's tough to fit 6 cars on at one time. We need a bigger turntable. An orange. Both of those colors are good, guys. C10. And the wheels, guys. That wheel is on point. I love it. Let me know, guys, what you think of these C10s. Which color are you going with? Are you going with the yellow or the orange or both? I think we'll just say both. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this unboxing video. Let me know what your favorites are of the Euro series and which color you're going with on that C10. Those things are pretty awesome. So thanks again for tuning in. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. Have a good one.